Hey everybody, it's Neil, and in my move I lost some remotes, so I got myself this one here. This is a universal for LG, I guess, and it's for my LG TV remote. And check it out here. It's got all the same buttons as the original. It's even got your Netflix and Amazon and home button and all that stuff, so you can do all your LG things that I would do before. So it's going to work on my TV. It works on my LG. I have a 3D TV, so it would work on that as well. And it's just got everything you could ever ask for on the buttons, and it's nice replacement. So now I don't have to go and search through all my boxes looking for that remote that I lost. So really nice to have. Let me see what type of batteries it takes. It looks like it's probably going to take two AAAs or something here. Yes, it does, right there. So, and it feels just like the original, looks just like the original. It just doesn't have any kind of logos on it. Instead, it just has that little number down there. So, very cool. Thumbs up for me.